Well, hello, class. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to post this quick video to kind of go over a couple things as we kind of start off our semester. I just posted your grades from week one. So there were two grades. As long as the first was the class introductions. As long as you responded to the questions, you got the full 5 out of 5 points. And then on the assignment that was the week one, like the compensation questions, that was just kind of a real simple assignment to kind of get you used to kind of the things we're going to be talking about the semester and things that we're going to look at. So it was worth 10 points. As long as you completed the worksheet fully, I gave you the full 10 points. There's not a lot of feedback for that because, again, this was more of a completion assignment. As long as you completed it, you got full points. If you didn't receive the full 10 out of 10, I did leave you some feedback to kind of give you some more what I need to expect moving forward. Well, starting next week, you're working on an assignment this week, and then when I grade that for next week, I'm going to be posting a video in the grade itself to provide you some feedback. So I won't be doing videos every single week, but every so often I like to provide a video feedback for you to kind of break down the assignment and to help you make sure that you're earning as many points as you possibly can. So again, starting next week, whenever I post the grade for next week, you'll see that feedback from me. So make sure it's usually between 45 seconds and maybe a minute 15. They're short, but again, I just want to provide you a little bit more detail. Since we're remote and this is virtual learning, I want to try to give you a little bit more personalized feedback to make it a little bit easier for you to follow instead of just reading feedback. So look for that next week. Checkpoint number 1 is also posted, and it's due not this coming Sunday, but the following Sunday, which I think is June 26th. So you have, as of today, you have another 10 days to finish it. But again, the three checkpoints that we do throughout the semester, the first two and then the final, is a big part of your grade. So make sure you pay careful attention and start working on that now, because again, I can always tell when students wait till Saturday night or Sunday night to submit it. It's not as crisp, it's not as researched, it's just not as good a paper. So again, I left you in the module a couple of examples. One was what I consider an A paper, so that was from a previous semester, and you could tell how the student broke down the assignment and really added some detail. That's what I'm looking for. If you kind of follow that similar format, you'll do very well. Do you have to follow that exact format? No, not of course. You can kind of if you have a different way you want to do it, that's perfectly fine with me. I just wanted to kind of give you a way to for you to approach it. And then the other assignment, the needs work. That paper received a very low score because it was very basic, didn't answer the questions, didn't provide any analysis, and to me, what I'm really looking for is the analysis. It's not just, okay, I believe it should be this number. Break it down. Where did you get those numbers? Tell me, how you came to that conclusion. That's what I'm really looking for in the checkpoints and then the final one. So, if you have any questions about the checkpoint, please don't hesitate to let me know. But again, it'll be doing, I think, 10 days from now, so it's coming up pretty soon. But overall, great start to the semester. Again, I know that the reading that there were 3 chapters this week. Again, I apologize for the excessive reading. It's just a lot of material in a short amount of time. But make sure, in addition to the textbooks, that you're also watching the videos that I post. Again, those whenever you watch the videos, those are generally the points that I consider to be the most important in those chapters. And generally, when we get to the final exam, a lot of the questions come from the lectures in addition to the textbooks. So make sure that you're staying on top of those and really pay attention, because again, that's where I get a lot of my test questions for them. So overall, if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to let me know. A great start to the semester. It's so nice to have each one of you in class. And again, let's continue to have a great semester, and let me know if you have questions. Thanks so much.